Z1 Pro will in fact be the first Vivo device to go through my water test other than Oppo, Xiaomi, Samsung and other brands. So let's check out its performance against water and get an idea about how it may perform in cases of accidental spills and water accidents. Starting the test and checking out whether the Vivo Z1 Pro has an oleophobic coating on its glass protection or not. Because of the absence of an oleophobic layer, the glass will be more prone to fingerprint smudges. As you can see, the water tends to lie flat on the glass surface instead of rolling off as droplets, proving the absence of this layer. The most common thing to happen when smartphones with no water resistance comes in contact with water is distorted low sound from the external speakers. And this can last anywhere between a few seconds to many hours, which may permanently damage the sound or display unit. Besides that, the screen might start to flicker or completely go blank for a few hours, or the water entering the ports can cause it to suffer display damage like in the Asus Zenfone 5Z. Though not every phone is able to reach the heavy drenching ground due to these factors. And since this is the first Vivo device to be tested on a channel, we do not really know how it's going to behave. Will the Vivo Z1 Pro be able to handle the water abuse? After the relatively good performance of the Vivo Z1 Pro in its previous video, it's good to know that the Z1 Pro also does an awesome job against water. It passes my water test without suffering any kind of internal damage to the sound unit, camera or display.